How to transfer money using Capitec app. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Deletes. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure that you install and download Capitec mobile app on your device. Log into your account. Once logged in, you will see the favorites section. Underneath that, tap on Pay Beneficiary. Then you will see a list of your beneficiaries. Tap on the one you wish to send money to. This will open up the beneficiary's bank details and other relevant information. Now, you can enter the amount you wish to send to the beneficiary. You will also have the option to select an effective date for the transfer. You can customize the beneficiary reference and the statement description if you wish. You can also choose to enable payment notifications. After entering the details, you can choose whether you want the payment to be processed immediately or at a later date. If you select immediate payment, the transfer will happen instantly, especially if both the sender and receiver use Capitec. If you opt for the regular transfer, the payment will be scheduled accordingly. Go back to home screen and tap on Send Cash at the bottom. This option allows you to send cash directly to someone. You can deposit the cash and give them a PIN to collect the money from the participating retailers or Capitec ATMs. And that's how you transfer money using the Capitec app. If this was helpful, drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time and thank you for watching.